everyone, welcome to Real Maya channel. Today I am going to show you how to do yourself Vinayakuru, that is Ganesh. So today is Ganesh Chaturthi. I want you all to make your own Ganesh within 10 minutes. That's my goal. Let's start. So the material we need are the tools. These are pottery tools. This is not really necessary just because I do have this and I always use them every year. That's the reason I do have this. Other than this, we need some white paint, any fabric paint. I've taken fabric paint, but any paint will work, and a small brush and clay, a leaf. This is again optional, and just a little bit oil and the water. So this is the clay which I use. This is natural clay, and this has different colors too. So I have taken this color. So this box I got 5 years back, and every year I take little bit of this. Like it is dry, but I just grind it, blend it, and add hot water to make the. So I've taken one banana leaf from my garden. I just cut half of this just to shape, and I've taken the middle part of this with the knife. I've cut this so that this flattens properly. And when I put, usually they have wheels so that we can rotate like this. And this is Lazy Susan, which I got it for other stuff, so I'm using for this purpose. And I'm just going to place the banana leaf on this. So this I already shaped. For the base I just made something square shape, and we need these many balls. So the one is larger one, and next to it, this is for face and this is for tummy, and the rest we need 7 of same size and 3 of decreasing size. So this all we need initially. So this is the one which I'm going to use for the base. Just I'm going to apply some oil so that my hands stay clean, and even it gives some polishing. Just I'm going to flatten it a little more and shape it. So this tool will help us to smoothen it. Actually, we can cut this. We can use for cutting. We need to apply some oil so that it gives clean cuts. So I'm just going to do 2 sides. I'm going to leave as it is. So this bigger ball, I'm just going to roll into oblong shape and just flatten one side. So it's 6:24 now. Let me see how long I'm going to finish. How much time I take to finish this? Let me check it up. And this is head portion. We usually have larger head for Ganesh or Vinayakuru. Just I'm smoothing it. So this is every year thing I do it. So I'm just again going to roll into limbs. Too much excess oil. I'm going to give a V shape. So I'm going to take all similar size ones. So for hand purpose, I'm just going to make it V shape. So always we need to keep the hands clean. So this we can use it for cleaning purpose too. Then apply a little bit oil so that we can give nice smooth shape. So 2 are for legs. And 1 is for the nose. And these 3, I'm just going to roll it round shape, then again shape it later. So now it's nice and cleanly polished. Okay, I'm just trying to clean the leaf. This gets cleaned when it is dry. So first, I'm just going to flatten one side for the hands. I'm just going to take little bit oil and just smoothen it so the jointing is clean. I'm just going to divide one of this ball into 2 so that I can shape it into ear. Just I'm going to roll a little bit and just press it. You can give a dent like this, like it's shaping of ear. So one more ear. So this will help to shape like this, like when I shape it then I can roll it like this. Then I'm going to make crown, sorry. So I'm just going to shape little bit for crown. Here is the crown. So for leg part, I'm just going to flatten little bit and place it around. The other one. Then this is the nose part. Just I'm going to shape it. Pick. Here is the toothpick and just rolling some clay around that and making trishul out of this. So here, to shape into arms, I'm just going to press them. And hold the Trishul with this. I'm going to shape the nose and just press both the sides. These are black peppers. I'm just using black peppers for the eye. And little decoration like for mukut, just shaping little bit so that it looks more nice. So I'm going to just shape for legs, and just I'm giving finger shape and some folds on the nose. And just little more decoration over mukut. So as we are suffering with the COVID virus, so I thought that I'll make some virus shape. This I just got idea from my friends sharing. So to get rid of because we start Ganesh Puja. For every puja we do start with the puja with the Ganesh ji. So this year we should get rid of our COVID virus. That's the reason we'll ask our Ganesh ji to kick this virus out of our lives. So that's the reason I'm making this virus. So that's another reason why I have made this Trishul. So this is our COVID virus. So God Vinayaka is kicking the COVID virus. That's our Ganesh ji has his favorite vehicle, that is rat, Mushika Vahanam. So I'm going to make one rat. I thought I can finish in 10 minutes, but with these additional things, it is making me add up 10 more minutes. I know rat is not that cute, but it works. So for the eyes, I'm going to use mustard seeds for this. So these are mustard seeds for rat eyes. And these are teeth, dant. So both the sides. Almost ready. So so I can clean this. So this is just fabric paint. I'm just going to put bindi. Some ornaments with white color. I'm just trying to do as simple as possible so that I don't invest much time on this, because on the festival we are very busy, so we can't spend much time on this. That's the reason I'm trying to do as shortcut as possible. Every year I do this Ganesh ji. Thank you for watching my video. Even you guys do the same kind of Vinayaka and get rid of virus from our life and enjoy your Vinayak Chavithi. And if you like this video, share with your friends. And if you're new to my channel, subscribe my channel. Until then, bye. See you with next video.